This is the exact reason you are failing in affiliate marketing and have no chance of succeeding until you figure this one thing out. What's going on, Wolves? Eric Ellis Jr. back at it again with some saucy content, right? We gonna get into it today. Now you're probably wondering, why am I failing? Why am I not getting any sales? I'm sick and tired of this. I thought affiliate marketing was the thing for me, but for some reason, I'm not getting any results. I see all these people online freaking crushing it. They're living the dream life. They have the nice cars. They have the nice apartments, the high rises. They have all these nice things. They're making all this money, but why not me? Right? Me, right? You're putting the blame on yourself, or you're just saying maybe it's the company that I'm dealing with, or maybe it's your funnel or something, right? You're putting all the blame on everyone else, right? Besides yourself. Now, what we're about to cover is going to be a little bit hard on you maybe, right? And it might hurt your feelings, but we're just going to get real. Now, the reason why you're not getting results within affiliate marketing is because you don't know what the fuck you're doing. Period. That's the answer, right? Bravo, Eric, bravo. I don't know what the fuck I'm doing, so what do? I'm glad you asked. Now, before we talk about what your solution is and what that one thing is, I want to go ahead and tell you guys a little bit about my story. Now, you guys may see me traveling the world, and I finally got back to the States, and I've still been living up my life and living that laptop lifestyle, connecting with like-minded individuals and continuously elevating in life. And you're like, what the fuck? Like, your life looks awesome. But it wasn't always that sweet. I failed in affiliate marketing probably about 4 to 5 times before I actually got results and I finally caught traction online, right? Now, believe it or not, the main difference between me getting results and finally succeeding within affiliate marketing and failing flat on my face and not getting results and getting frustrated, you could probably relate, right? You get frustrated, you get pissed off. You think about quitting, you think about throwing in the towel. You're like, this isn't for me anymore, right? You want to rip out your hair. You might be, I have like 3 gray hairs. You might be getting gray hair. Or you might be saying, you know what, let me just work to 9 to 5, or let me try to put more hours in my job, or you might just throw in the towel. Guys, that is not the solution. That is not what it is, right? The reason why you're not succeeding is because you do not have the right information. 2 things. Number 1, you don't have the right information. And if you do have the right information, you're not taking action. What do I mean? There's so much misinformation out there on the web because there's so many people and gurus out there who aren't even getting results who are talking about this field, right? Now, I'm one of them. When I first started, I was talking about affiliate marketing, and some of the stuff, I didn't even know what the hell I was talking about, but I was talking about it right before I even got results. But finally, I decided to invest into myself. I decided to do paid courses. I decided to buy coaching. I decided to invest in a paid mastermind. And I actually started getting the right information from people, right? And once I started getting the right information from people, I started implementing it within my business, and boom, I started getting results. And I was like, what the hell? Is this all I've been missing? The right information? And the problem was that I was literally looking on stuff like YouTube, like you're watching this video right now, and I was trying to get all this stuff for free, right? Now guys, believe it or not, sometimes the best investment you can ever make is in yourself. So sometimes investing in yourself is books, coaching, courses, right? You have to be willing to reach into your pocket, but instead of just investing anywhere, right? Invest into someone, number 1, who knows what they're talking about. Number 2, who's getting results. Number 3, who actually has the results and the lifestyle that you want, right? So why am I saying this, guys? Here's the thing. I've had courses and everything along those lines within the past, but what I've found is this, right? A lot of people, even with my paid courses that I've had out, a lot of people ask me questions. And when I have the course and they go through the course, they still have questions, right? And a lot of people are like, how much do you charge per hour? Can I get on the coaching call? Etc., 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 right? And so many people want my coaching and they want me to help them personally, right? And I did the same thing. I saw somebody driving a Lamborghini before. I saw them living the desired life, and I literally messaged him. I said, hey, I want you to coach me personally. I'm like, listen, bro, like, what do you think I got into this business for? So I could just spend all my time coaching everybody? No, right? I want to have time, location, and financial freedom, just like you're trying to get. I was like, that's fair, right? So they said, buy my course. I bought their course, right? But here's the thing. What I found is that most people get better results when they can actually ask someone questions and implement on hand. Now, what do I mean? When I first started doing sales, like offline sales, like knocking on doors, say, hey, how's it going? My name is Eric. I work for CenturyLink, blah, 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 buy this stuff. What would happen was I would literally try to sell this product. I would get shut down. I would go back to my mentor the next day during our morning meeting. I would say, hey, this is what I faced in the field. What can I do to overcome this? And then because they had 5 to 10 years of experience knocking on doors, they said, Eric, when they say they're not interested, you acknowledge what they say, right? I understand you're not interested, Mrs. Customer. Then you go ahead and provide a solution to whatever it is that problem. Remember, sir, I'm not trying to sell anything, but we can actually help you out with what we're doing today. Boom. I was like, oh my God, that makes sense. Now, why was he able to help me? Something that would have taken me months to figure out through trial and error, or a whole bunch of doors getting shut in my face. And I literally saved all that time, effort, and energy simply because I was able to ask somebody a question. And that question that I asked, boom, 10 seconds, I got the answer. I tried it in the field, boom, it worked. I was like, holy crap, right? So a lot of people are always messaging me. And I'm like, guys, I don't have that much time to just be answering all these messages. So what I decided to do is I'm actually reopening my inner circle. Now, what this is simply bi-weekly coaching calls. And I'm launching this and it's gonna be closing soon. So make sure you take action. If you click the first link in the description, you're gonna be able to get first dibs on my coaching call. I'll be very straightforward what it is, right? You're gonna be able to get access to 2 live coaching calls. This isn't a webinar, this is simply a coaching call, right? To where you're gonna be able to ask me questions and I'm going to answer them. But instead of me picking which questions I want to answer, like I'm doing with the new Ask Eric Ellis show, or if I just don't feel like answering it, or if I don't feel like creating content around this because it doesn't work, right? We're going to be diving deep into the stuff that actually matters with you getting results within your business. A lot of the stuff that I want to talk about on YouTube doesn't get views, and I feel like it's not worth my time to talk about email marketing and copywriting and driving traffic and cost per click marketing and all the stuff that really takes you to get results, because unfortunately a lot of people want the something for nothing mentality, right? So that's the stuff that sells on YouTube. When you talk about getting something for nothing, then it gets all the views. But if you talk about the practical stuff, that's not what gets views. But if you want money and you want results, that's what you need. So with that being said, with the new inner circle that I'm launching, click the link in the description. You can get immediate access to it. And once we have a call, and for my first few action takers, I do have a special gift, right? For the first 50 people who hop on board, I have a special gift. I'm not even going to tell you what the special gift is, but if you invest, you'll see exactly what that special gift is, right? It's going to be a discount and a special gift that's worth 10x times what the course, not the course, 10x time, that's a little hint, but that is 10x time what the actual mentorship and inner circle and coaching calls are worth. But you're gonna go ahead and be able to actually ask me questions and I'll answer them. So instead of, a lot of people say, hey, can you create a video on this? Or can you go, guys, it's not how it works. I create videos and stuff around what I want to, right? Period. But if you guys want that hands-on mentorship and you wanna ask me questions that I can literally answer them on the spot and we can finally get you results, right? Let me ask you a question. If all this did was answer that one question that has allowed you to not get profit and that's holding you back, and you finally get that question answered and you finally figure it out and you finally are profitable with your affiliate marketing business, would it be worth it? If all this coaching did was allows you to literally make an extra $1,000 a month, would it be worth it? Absolutely. As it's a no-brainer, right? So with that being said, stop struggling. Eric Ellis Jr. is going to save the day, the wolf of marketing himself. Click the link in the description, grab access. First come, first serve. And with that being said, I can't wait to see you on the inside, and I can't wait to see you guys on the first coaching call. Now, as stated before, this is closing very soon, so take action right now. Click the link in the description, and I can't wait to see you on the next side. Now, you have 2 options. You can either take action, or you can keep on waiting You keep on going through trial and error. You can keep on trying to watch free YouTube videos or wait for somebody to drop that magic video to answer your question and continue to struggle, not get results, continue to live in poverty and work that 9 to 5 that you freaking hate, work for that boss that you hate, or get your questions answered, execute on that information, get results within your business, and continue to crush it and level up in life. The choice is yours. If you're the smart person that I think you are, you'll click that link in the description. Appreciate you guys so freaking much. As always, Eric Ellis Jr. checking out.